Hey Children's School campers, today I thought we'd make a butterfly feeder for our yards. I love to watch butterflies in my yards, and this will help attract them to our backyard. So I looked around my house and got some supplies that I could find around my house, and here's what you're going to need to do your butterfly feeder. You're going to need an old lid from a container. This is from a yogurt container that I'm just recycling. I'm going to use it for something else, reuse it for something else. And you're going to need 4 pieces of string or yarn cut to the same size. You're going to need some beads or some buttons or something to decorate your feeder if you want. And then you're going to need some fresh fruit because butterflies feed on nectar, which is sugar from a plant. And so fresh fruit works really well with these feeders. They're attracted to bright colors like orange and red and yellow. So I've cut up a couple pieces of an orange to put on our feeder. All right, step 1 is to poke some holes in your lid. So I'm just using some scissors to poke some holes. You will need an adult or a grown-up to help you do this probably to get your holes poked. Once you have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes in your lid, take a piece of string and string it through and tie it around your lid. Sure it's tied tight because this is going to be hanging from a branch for the butterflies to come to. All right, I have 3 more holes to do. There's my 4 strings. It's actually going to hang like this when we're all finished. Now, if you want, you could decorate your feeder. I found some old beads around my house, so I thought, well, I'll use those for my feeder, and I will string my beads. Maybe you have buttons around your house, or I don't know. Think about what else you might find around your house to add to your feeder. Okay, so I finished beading my string for a little decoration for my feeder, and I tied all of the strings at the top so that they can hang on a branch. And now I need to add the fruit that will hopefully attract the butterflies. So I picked an orange, so it's nice bright color, and hopefully that sweet taste will attract the butterflies. Now I need to find a place to hang it in my yard. Okay, I found the perfect branch for my feeder. It's going to hang right there, and I will be able to sit on my back porch and watch for butterflies. If you try and make a feeder, send me a picture. I'd love to see what your feeder looks like, and if you get any butterflies coming to your feeder, I'd love to see the pictures of those also. All right, have fun. I'll see you next time.